Hey there, English learners. Welcome back to Smart English Talk, the podcast where we make English learning simple and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. If you're enjoying our episodes, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future English lessons.
Today we're talking about one of the most useful and most confusing tenses, the present perfect continuous tense.
Yes, the one that answers questions like, how long have you been studying English? Or how long has she been working there?
What is present perfect continuous? So, Jack, how long have you been podcasting?
I've been podcasting for about 2 years now.
Exactly. That's a present perfect continuous sentence. It shows an action that started in the past and is still happening now.
We use it to talk about how long something has been happening, not when it started exactly.
Structure of present perfect continuous. The formula is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb-ing.
For example, I have been studying English. She has been working all day. They have been playing football since morning.
To make it negative, add not after has or have. I haven't been sleeping well lately.
He hasn't been eating healthy food.
Simple, right?
Yes/no questions.
To make a question, move has or have to the beginning. Have you been waiting long?
Has she been studying for her exams?
And you can answer, yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Now let's see how to ask WH questions. What have you been doing today?
How long have you been living here?
Who has been using my laptop?
These questions are great for daily conversations when you want to ask about actions that are still happening or just stopped recently.
When do we use present perfect continuous? There are two main situations to use this tense. 1. To show an action that started in the past and continues now. I've been learning English for 3 years.
She's been working at that company since 2020.
2. To show an action that recently stopped but has a result now. He's been running, that's why he's tired.
I've been cleaning the house, so it looks nice now.
We often use these time words with present perfect continuous. For, since, lately, recently, all day, all morning.
Examples. I've been reading a lot lately.
We've been waiting since 9 a.m. Okay, Emma, let's test your English skills. Make this sentence in present perfect continuous. She, work, here, since 2019.
She has been working here since 2019.
Perfect. Now a question. How long you learn English?
How long have you been learning English?
Nice. And listeners, now it's your turn. Try making your own sentences using today's tense.
That's all for today's episode. We hope you've enjoyed learning the present perfect continuous tense.
Now, tell us in the comments, how long have you been learning English?
We'd love to read your answers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart English Talk, where English learning feels easy and fun.
See you in the next episode. Bye.